Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite is on the blacklist. Okay, so we are on the IMEI info page, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, in here you have a quick instruction what to do and how to find your IMEI number. Once you have find your IMEI number, type it right in here and click on Check IMEI. As you can see, our Galaxy Tab S10 appeared. Now we need to scroll down a little until we find the checks. We can perform the blacklist symbol check or order the premium version of it. Let's begin with the simple one first. Simply click on that. Now select check blacklist status. Now we need to wait a little. Okay, and now we have the confirmation that our device is clean. We can easily check it right in here on the IMEI.info page. If you want, you can also order the premium version of it. Click on order now. And as you can see, the cost of it is $4. Time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Below we can see an example how it will look like, for example, when the device is blacklisted and how when it's clean. When it comes to the advantages of using the premium version, in here we will be able to see if the device is blacklisted, why it has been blacklisted, who blacklisted this device, the blacklisted country, and the date on which it happened. And also we can see the manufacturer. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.